But yeah, chat. We're gonna do this for tie into like I'm getting off early today, chat. I ain't gonna lie. Oh!
I been spending all these dollars, I get these hundreds and go save it. Rockstar lifestyle, so I'm glad that I can't park down. I don't got no patience, I want it right now,
Hey, what's up, man? Finna go do a little screen with Moore, teach him how to ride the 150. But I ain't finna do too much talking. No, this the first video, I just woke up. But I'm about to get ready. I'm finna go meet him. I'm gonna see y'all when we get there.
Motherfucker, boy. That nigga, I said to that. That nigga said, that's my little brother.
Fuck. I need to add my time. Hey, hey, you got an air pump in your car? You got an air pump in your car? Cool, what the hell is going on? Yeah, hell yeah. I need to add my tire. Hey, D, you crank up the air pump by being on that bit? I'll be right back. What? No, I'm talking about my back tire. Oh, the back? Yeah. I'm about to come back. bit not flat. Alright, but look, you got your goddamn back brake, front brake. You ain't gonna need that though. This ain't gonna be necessary. You don't want to touch that, cause that motherfucker gonna send you to the hospital.
Wait, what this is right here?
Front brake, like.
Oh, that's.
Yeah.
I'm going like
yeah.
This. Oh.
Yeah. yeah, going forward.
Alright, bet.
We got the gas and the click. You gonna need that to switch the gear. Then it's a gear shifter. So I'm just show you like the basics real quick. So we in neutral right now.
So this the front brake.
Nah, this the back brake.
This the back brake.
Yeah, you gonna be using this the whole
right
time.
Here.
Gas.
Gas.
Oh shit, hold up. So goddamn, when you get on that bit, you don't wanna just, cause you gon' fly out this motherfucker. So like you gotta goddamn get a little gas like. Like that, then you don't want to full throttle. But if you do, when you feel like you finna get out of control, just pull this in and hit the brake. That's all you gotta do.
Wait, you said if I feel like I'm getting out of control, what?
Just pull the clutch in, hit the brake.
I bet.
That's all you gotta do.
Stop.
You're gonna stop. That's all you gotta do. So goddamn, I'ma show you. I'ma show you quick, little basic shit. So come over here, you gotta see. So goddamn. Gear right here. Pull this in the clutch. Click down one. We ain't gonna go out of first gear today. So goddamn, soon you go in first gear, you can easily let it go. You gonna feel the bike starting to roll. But you can't just let it go like, can't let it go like that.
It's gonna cut off.
Yeah, it's gonna cut off, basically. So boom. When that happens, when you easing off the clutch, get a little gas. Not too much gas, cause you'll go up in the air. So you get too much gas off the clutch. So just a little gas and let it go at the same time. Feel me? You got that? Alright. We're in neutral now. So look. Clutch. First gear. A little gas. Just like that. Yeah, slowly though. Slowly but for surely. Then when you get the grind, don't just ease like, look. Just like this. Not too much gas. Feel me? Not too much gas. Alright, you ready? Alright, you look like you're nervous.
Hold on, alright.
Down one.
Down one. Hit the gas.
A little bit now, look. Literally just a tad bit, like just a little bit, literally just a twist. When you starting to hit, and when you starting to let out clutch slow, then you're gonna get to rolling. Then once you start rolling, just let out the clutch all the way, but not too hard, cause that clutch is real sensitive.
I bet.
Once you get the rolling, just keep a little gas, not too much gas.
I bet. Yo, appreciate for the 5 subs, bro.
You ready?
Hey, yeah, I'm ready. All right, you can look.
Get this motherfucker started for you.
Yo, appreciate for the 5 subs, bro. All right, look.
I'm gonna hold the stream. Oh shit, y'all.
This your back brake. Remember, this is your back brake.
Where I set my foot at?
On a foot pad, yeah.
Back brake.
Yeah, that's your back brake. Alright.
I just gotta push it down.
Yeah, you can just push it down to start when you want to stop. But when you want to stop, pull this in, make sure you pull this in, then you press brake. Boom. Alright.
Let me see how this feels.
Yeah. Right there, that's enough gas, right there. You don't want to go past that. Right there. You don't want to go past that.
Oh, shot!
I'm saying.
Wait, I gotta take this foot off.
Yeah, now click down one. Now ease off just a little bit. There you go. You can't be scared. I'm telling you, you can't be scared. Just a little bit. Oh, see, that when you fuck up at. I'm telling you. That when you fuck up at. You can't pop the clutch like that. You gotta come out.
Like this.
Yeah. Ease. I'm telling you, ease, y'all. He got it though. I'm telling you, he got it though.
Bro,
he got it though.
I'm about to see. Look, yo.
Hold on, let me put it back in neutral.
I'm about to eat grass, bro. Hold on, put it back in.
Alright, boom.
Alright, let me start it.
Yeah, go ahead and start it.
Hey, hold on, I got my phone in my hand.
Gotta kick a little harder than that.
Damn! Hold on.
There we go. This ain't no limit. Alright, now remember what I said. Clutch, down one, gas, just a little bit. Just a little bit. Now ease out the clutch. Now you good right there. Just ease out slowly. There you go. Go ahead. There you go. There you go. There you go. Ah, you had it.
Damn!
You had it. You can't be scared. I'm telling you.
I'll be trying to, hold on. Damn.
You had it. Hold on. I gotta put it back in neutral.
My bad.
Put it back in neutral. All right. Boom. I'm telling you, just a little gas. Like how you were just perfect. That was just perfect right there. You forgot to pull in the clutch. Forgot to pull in the clutch. See, that neutral gonna be hard to find on the dirt bike. Just a little bit of gas. Too much. Now ease off. You're getting a little too much gas. Alright, now ease out the clutch. A little bit, not fast, not hard. Yeah, just like that. Then once you start to feel it roll, just get a little bit more. Yeah, there you go. There you go. You got it. Get a little more gas, not too much. Ah, you had it.
Hey, why they cut off? Why the fuck you keep cutting
Hey,
off?
somebody in the chat said some Diddy shit.
What'd he say?
Ride me like that bike, man. They said some Diddy shit, yo.
Bro, I'm scared, Chad. I ain't gonna lie.
Bro, you can't be scared, bro. You gonna fall, bro. I'm telling you, bro.
Let me lock in.
You got it, bro.
Damn.
I'm telling you.
I'm really trying to ride dirt
They
bike,
said
like.
teach you again. Let me show you
All right,
again.
man, one more time.
Let me show you again. One more time. Let me show you one more time. Look. Clutch. Down one. Look at it. Nah, I'm hitting the gas. I'm just not getting a lot of gas. Cause like, look. Once I let go and start rolling, that's gonna happen when I don't get no gas.
Oh, but you gotta keep the gas on.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
That's
what I'm fucking up at.
You don't. Let me show you what you don't want to do either. This is what you don't do. See what I'm saying? You don't want to do that. You gonna come right off foot. Let me turn it back around. Alright.
I think I got it. I got it.
Don't. Hold Hold up, let me get you right. All right, let's go. Not too much gas. Gas, a little bit, not too much. Get some gas, get some gas. There you go. Ah, you keep having it, bro.
Why does this shit keep stopping when I lay off right here?
I'm telling you, bro. So you got it. You got to get a little bit. When you starting to feel it roll, just get a little bit more gas. Not too much, though.
Not too much, but.
Not too much. Just a little bit more gas. I'm telling you, once you get the roll. Oh, let me put it in. Once you feel the rolling, just get a little bit more gas, and you'll be straight. Got to kick a little harder than that. Get some gas when you kick it. There you go. Woo! I'm telling you, gas, release. It's like a pattern. Get a little bit more gas, a little bit more. A little bit more. Hold on, let me help you, let me help you, let me help you. Now get some gas. Not too much gas. There you go. There you go. There you go. Yeah. 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 Yeah, we got more on the bike. Yeah. There you go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, shit. Yes, sir. Yeah. Now when you want to stop, just pull in the clutch and hit the brake. Pull in the clutch. All the way. Perfect. Woo! Perfect.
Yeah!
Perfect.
I'll do a wheelie.
No wheelie. You ain't gonna be in the ground, you try to do a wheelie now. We'll get that one more another time.
I bet.
Alright. So you think you're ready to get out of first gear? Or you think you need some more practice?
I need some more practice.
Alright, so start it back up. Now this time I ain't gonna tell you, now I'm just trying to let you see what you can do on your own. Another way you could do it too is like you could just hold on, roll back a little bit. Roll forward, I mean. Another way you could do it, you could just boom, 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 at the clutch.
Hey, this, I ain't gonna lie, it's kind of easy once you like, once I
yeah, once you get it, you'll know. You just gotta learn the throttle too though, cause that throttle very sensitive. Well, this shit say 250. Oh, I ain't even know that. It's not even a 250. Get it. Oh. Oh.
Damn, this bitch heavy as fuck.
Get a little gas when you kick it. Lord, lemon. Want me to start it for you?
Yeah, it's over. Oh. Now just imagine I was by myself and I had to do shit like that.
Imagine the police was coming.
Woo! Oh, fuck no.
Oh. Alright. Nah, he ain't gonna break. Talking about old engine. It's a brand new bike.
I'm on some dumb shit.
Oh.
I keep forgetting.
Roll up a little bit. Nah, you can't ride dirt bikes on the street. They're illegal on the street. But we still do. Get a little gas. You flooding it. It gonna be flooded. See, when it's off, you can't twist the throttle because you'll flood the car. Try one more time.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't think I'm hitting that bitch right.
Let me see.
Yeah, I'm not hitting that bitch right at all.
If you know about them 150s, you know you gotta know how to crank them. You gotta know how to crank them. Alright, clicking it first. You still in neutral.
Nah,
Oh, alright. Yeah, see the greatest, you know what you talking about. Get some gas. Get some gas. Yeah. You good right there. A little bit more gas. You good. It ain't gonna do nothing. But when you at that high RPM, you don't want to just pop out a cut. Y'all gotta see it there. Oh my God, this is. There you go. There you go. There you go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. He got it now, y'all. Y'all think he ready to get out of first gear?
Hey, I think I'm good.
He said he think he good. He said he think he good. Hey! Oh, he don't got his foot on him. Hey! Put your foot on the pad. Yeah, keep your foot on the pad. Yeah, keep your feet up there. He can couple more stops, then he ready. Ah, shit.
Hey, I gotta switch the gear, right?
Yeah. You go up though, but I'm telling you.
Wait, how I switch it?
You gotta just pull it up, but I'm telling you, it gonna be a different ball game. go for it, try. But when you remember, when you finna lose control, just pull in the clutch and hit the brake. Go for it.
Wait, I pull the what's the name down though, right?
Nah, just pull it up. The gear shift, just switch it up.
I don't gotta pull the clutch.
Yeah, but listen, you don't though. You don't. Hold on. So my camera died, and I couldn't get rest of the footage. But the rest of the footage on the Twitch stream, I'm gonna put that in the link to that in the description. If y'all wanna go watch that, go click the link. But right now, I'm editing the video, and I got hit. Well, I didn't get hit, but I ran into somebody's car. They turned out in front of me. I ran into somebody's car, broke my phone, but I just went and got that fixed. But shit, that's about it. If y'all got down, fuck with the kids, subscribe to my YouTube. You know, we on the journey, man. Peace out.